Your animation still looks stiff. Watch this. I'm about to show you 7 tips that will instantly make your animation smoother, even if you're a total beginner. Without wasting much of your time, let's fix your animation. Tip number 1. Stop animating like a robot. Apply ease in and ease out. Look at this animation. The movement looks stiff, right? Now watch this version. Way smoother, natural. The trick is very simple. Add extra frames at the start and end of the movement. Don't just go from 0 straight down to 100 instantly. You apply ease in at the start, then apply ease out at the end. This makes your animation smooth. Tip number 2. Use hacks, not straight lines. Look at this. Beginners animate hands like this, straight line. But real movement looks like this, arc motion. Every arm swing, head turn, leg lift, they all move in curves. Straight line make your animation stiff. Arcs give you smooth animation and 100% natural. Tip number 3. Break your character's joints. Stop drawing your character like a stick from the broom. Add slight bends to the elbow, knees and spine. Look at this character. It feels stiff, it feels abnormal, just straight. But look at this other character with joints. It feels alive and natural. Tip number 4. Add anticipation. Little movement before big movement. Before a character jump, they squat, they crouch. Before a punch, the hand pulls back. Before a run, the body leans forward. These are anticipation, tiny backward motion, then big forward motion. Looks powerful. Tip number 5. Beginner's secret hack. Animate on Toonz. Animating on Toonz. Basically, I'm saying use 12 FPS and not 24 FPS. That is, with 12 frames, you have a seconds for your animation. But using 24 frames in achieving same 1 second is a torture for every beginner. Tip number 6. Add overlap and follow through. Follow through is that one animation principles that most beginners fail to study. When you have your character stopped, parts of that character should not stop. Parts like hair, arms, clothes, they keep moving slightly, just like this example. This is follow through. Apply it to your animation and you see that natural and smooth movement in your animation. Tip number 7. Hold your key poses longer. Beginners rush everything. Slow down. Hold your important poses for 2 to 3 extra frames so your viewers can actually read every action in your animation. With this head turn, you can see the extreme pose are being given that hold so that you can see the main action of this character. 3 additional frames to that extreme poses will give you a good and intentional look to your animation. So guys, these are the 7 simple tips you can apply today. Don't overtake it. Practice them in your next animation and you'll see new improvement in the way you animate. If you want more beginner animation tutorials, animation tips, subscribe and hit the like button if you actually gain value from this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial. This is Toonz Academy, your mobile animation channel. Learn, create and enjoy.